Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow and a thumbs up. And if you're on YouTube, you should be over on Rumble anyway. Well, it's the weekend, second last weekend of August. Things are coming near the end of their growth cycle. I have the awkward pepper plant that made one pepper. That's it. Yeah, one pepper. I'm going to chastise this plant until it dies. Tomatoes I don't eat because I cannot. They were there, so I grew them. Peppers that I've been using for canning. We might be doing some more canning today. And it's a good thing I got more peppers. And our sunflower is not opened yet. It's getting close though. Getting close. There are pollinators flying around. Now, do we have any bounty to add to our canning today? Let's see. Any zucchini. There should be one down here. No? Well, a lot of leaves, a lot of flowers, a lot of bugs. These are all the male plants, though. Need one to produce fruit. Right? And nothing. There's one there. Perfect. There we go. We'll add that to the jars today. How about under here? No? Letting this wonderful vine keep growing. No, just one. Okay. Oh, there's another one right there. Perfect. Perfectamundo. There we go. Good. That's enough here to finish off yet another jar with the other ones I've been collecting the last couple of days. All right. Well, our kale bush is quite the creature. Now it's wanting to lean the other way. Wow, this is a heavy bush. Maybe we should eat some kale today. Well, our beans, we had a good handful yesterday, probably close to 2 dozen beans, and they went into a lamb stew. Our potatoes are coming to the end of their cycle. I mean, the green tops are still mostly green, so I'm gonna let them keep growing. Now, I had planted a bunch of last year's morning glories that were covering all the back fence. I tore them down, threw them in the ground, and then of course I forgot to water them in my watering schedule. So very few of them made it. Some of them are even late growers. But they're pretty resilient. Even some of the seeds made their way into the compost pile and then started growing rather aggressively. And our potato box, which I've just been slowly harvesting for my meals, going after the plants that are doing the worst. Now, this plant still doing semi-okay, but you know, it will be the next one to go up out of the ground. Oh. Okay. Well, that's about almost everything in the backyard before we get to the squash box. Now you'll notice all the tops are gone. I was harvesting dill seeds yesterday. Just sitting there and slowly getting dill seeds off. Now there's plenty who've fallen down and they will just start growing again next year. And our onion bed for our second crop of onions. Yeah, making that lamb stew yesterday, taking out a couple of small onions from the bed. Just amazed how strong, flavorful that they really are. I mean, it's not like onions are expensive, but well, I grew them and now I have them. I grew them at great expense of labor and the water bill. Well, we don't seem to have any new growths. Just basically trying to let the existing growths make it. You can see, I mean, it's going to keep flowering. We'll have a look at how crooked this whole thing really is with the weight moving forward. Let's zoom back here. Ah, yes, you can see the tilt from the weight of the squashes pulling the entire assembly forward. And I've had to temporarily prop things up just in case. No need to have the whole thing collapse on me before the end of the growing season. Once everything dies off, we'll be able to clear off that assembly and then fix it up for next year. Okay, well, let's go have a look at Butch in the front. Oh, it's that time of year when all the humidity starts to drip down right here at the corner of the house from the eaves trough. Well, here's our lavender. Love the smell, very nice. And our pumpkin plant continues to look healthy. Yes, continues down, it's growing now. If only we had more pumpkins. Have any zucchinis? No? Yes, yes. Oh, look at that weird one, eh? It's not doing good at all. Okay, excuse me there, Butch. Gotta get in the way. That is the weirdest. Look. It didn't even, it's like it didn't want to form. It didn't get properly. That is weird. Huh. Well, that critter's been biting at it, so let him have it. Come back out and cut that off later. Now, the pumpkin leaves at the near the root starting to turn just like they are over there. Now, how's old floppy leaves doing? Well, it's continuing to grow. from yesterday. Yeah. And yeah, well, looks like some new vines started. That's very good. Let's go in and have a look. New vines, or is that the other plant? The other plant I gave up on. That's the other plant I had given up on. That had started over here, right behind. And it's going on its own. Huh. Well, we can see our morning glories continue to vine along. I just need to make sure that they don't choke everyone else out. While we're here, let's go all the way up and have a look. Oh yeah, such foliage. Okay, let's climb out of here without destroying the sunflower. Now, our sunflower has started to open. Very nice. Doing rather well, along with the winds on the other side. As you can see in the sky, it's a rather cloudy day. It's going to be like this all day. Semi-cloudy, chances of rain all day long. It's 20 degrees this morning. High of 25 expected, but showers on and off all day. And I don't think we're going to see temperatures in the 30s anymore for the rest of the summer. That's bad for the pool. I think we're done with the pool now. I don't think it's going to get warm enough. Old Butch there, doing rather well with his own live camera. All right, if you have hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.